What if Ducati's most adventurous bike became lighter, smarter, and more practical, without losing its wild rally spirit? That's exactly the question the new 2026 Ducati DesertX V2 sets out to answer. At the core of this evolution is Ducati's proven 890 cubic centimeters V2 engine, already powering the Panigale, Street Fighter, and Multistrada. Here, it delivers 115 horsepower and 92 newton-meters of torque, but the real gain comes in weight savings and agility. Lighter by several kilos compared to the old Testastrada 11 degrees. This engine makes the DesertX V2 more responsive, more manageable, and more versatile across every kind of terrain. And for the first time, Ducati moves away from its signature desmodromic valve actuation. Instead, the DesertX V2 adopts a DOHC system with valve springs, simplifying maintenance and boosting durability. For riders planning long-distance adventures, that's a practical shift with real-world benefits. Visually, the DesertX V2 commands attention. The front end keeps its iconic dual LED headlights, but now they sit inside a sharper, rally-inspired fairing. The windscreen is taller and slightly curved, giving better touring protection without losing that aggressive desert racer look. From the side, bold Ducati graphics dominate the tank, while the gold-spoked wheels and high front fender amplify its off-road DNA. Around the back, the integrated LED tail light and sturdy panniers complete the package, purpose-built for real expeditions, yet unmistakably Italian in style. But how does it stack up against rivals? Compared to the Yamaha Ténéré 700, the Ducati brings more power and a premium finish, though the Yamaha fights back with simplicity and reliability. Against the KTM 890 Adventure R, the DesertX V2 looks more refined, trading KTM's raw aggression for Italian sophistication. And while the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro offers similar comfort and touring focus, Ducati's rally-inspired stance sets it apart for riders chasing Dakar-style adventure. Pricing is expected to start around $18,000 in the US, positioning the DesertX V2 as a premium yet accessible option in Ducati's adventure lineup. So, what do you think? Does the DesertX V2 have what it takes to beat the Ténéré, the KTM, and the Tiger in the middleweight ADV battle?
V2. See you on the next ride.